For me, to you, it's super cute rom-com anime. And there was a scene that Sawako ate her lunchbox. I didn't see it clearly, but there are two main components. Let's make it together.
Mix ground chicken with finely chopped green onions, grated ginger, egg yolk, and cornstarch. Season it with salt and pepper, then mix until it becomes sticky. I prefer using a spoon to roll them because it's easier to make them the same size and they don't stick to my hand as much. I then boil them for about 5 minutes or until they float to the surface. Meanwhile, I prepare the sauce by mixing soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and cornstarch. Ensure all the cornstarch is dissolved. Brown the chicken balls slightly. And pour the sauce in. Stir until the sauce thickens and covers all the chicken balls. Make sure to stir for at least 2 minutes or else you will taste the raw starch. Now it's time for tamagoyaki or egg roll. I season it with mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and a little dashi powder. I cook it in a round pan. The downside of my method is that both sides won't be as beautiful as when I use a square pan. However, if you cut it, it will look the same. Let's pack them all together. I wish I have a friend like Sawako. She is so pure and kind. This lunchbox makes me feel a little bit closer to my wish.